Hey everybody, Kevin with the awareness.website again, and Awareness Tai Chi, and this week's video of continuing classroom classics. And we're just moving right along here. We're at move 48 and 49. So 48 is kick with right foot, and 49 is strike ears with fists. So hang in there, we'll be right back, and we'll work on those moves. Alright, so we've got a couple moves coming up. So we got another kick. So kick with right foot. So this is the second kick with right foot. My arch nemesis doing kicks. So hopefully I don't wobble too much. And then we're going to do strike ears with fists, which you could look at that. So when we do strike tiger left and strike tiger right, you've got one arm that goes down and around, comes in front. So strike ears with fists is like doing strike tiger left and strike tiger right at the same time. So with both arms going down and around. So that maybe simplifies it a little bit. So we'll do it. We'll start facing this direction. We'll turn a couple different directions so you can see what we're doing. So fairly simple with the arms. Basically all you're doing is a Toryu as you go into strike ears with fists, and same with coming back from the kick. So from strike tiger right, the right arm goes down and around, you Toryu forward and strike tiger with the arms in front. Coming back, you push from the front foot, open the arms, drop down, sit, scoop up, cross, come up, up with the leg, kick out, and then cross and sit down as you step. So the arms will come down and cross with the palms up at the waist. So much like we're in a Toryu, except the palms are up. I know this one's a tricky one. A lot of times we'll kick and then we just sort of fall into strike ears. So strike tiger right, come back, sit down, cross, come up, up with the knee, open, the leg extends, and then sit down and cross as you step. So don't fall forward onto that front step as you step down. You want to sit, cross at the waist, and step out so that you could pull this foot back. No weight in it. So again, strike tiger right. So you push back with the front foot, relax into the back leg, scoop up, up and cross, wobble a little bit. Try that again. So you want to make sure you get back, get balanced into the left leg, come up, the knee comes up, and then it all opens. Relax down and step. Then from there, you're going to separate the hands as you Toryu. So you push from the back leg, arms come around, and you drop the elbows and relax into the front leg. So this is basically just a Toryu. And I remember when I started, this was the motorcycle move. So you're holding on to your motorcycle handlebars, Shelly's shaking her head. The hands separate. So just like Toryu, they separate and go forward. Here, they separate, but they sweep out to the sides. And then the elbows drop and strike ears with fists. So kind of self-explanatory. They're about ear level when you're coming forward. Okay, so strike tiger right. So you Toryu forward, push back, relax down the left leg, cross and come up, wobble, lost it. Strike tiger right.
Yeah, let's get serious here.
Push back. That's what I get for not warming up. Open and kick. sit down and cross at the waist with the palms up. Then they separate out to the sides, elbows down, strike ears with fists. So just like a Toryu, you end up squared forward and 2 fists. So the wrists are straight with the fists. So you don't want to be pulling the wrists back. The wrists are straight with the elbows down, shoulders, everything relaxed. So everything settles down into that front foot. Okay, so let's try that again. Trying not to wobble. So you relax, step, Toryu, strike tiger right. Push back, sit down, scoop up, cross. So you turn to the left, come up, open, kick, sit down, and cross. Trying to keep in mind that when you kick, the leg and the arm line up. So the right leg and the right leg line up, and the left one is out, not in a straight line back like this, but the body's at 45. So the left arm is in line with the shoulders. Don't overturn it, but get to that 45 degrees so that you can sit back down into that leg, into that hip, to step out. Okay, so let's try it from this direction. See if the wobble is any different on this side. Push, relax down, cross, come up, open and kick, cross with the palms up as you step down, separate, and strike ears with fists. It's much easier to do when I go a little bit quicker. So pretty straightforward. Again, all that is Toryus and one-legged Danyus. After you kick, you express out, and then everything sits back down as you step. If you're having balance problems with that one, when you kick, you can kick out, put the foot down, sit down and cross, step, and then separate. A little bit of a cheater step, but it'll help stabilize things so you can sit down into the leg. Sometimes there can be a lot of tension, and like I say, tendency can be to kick and then fall into that, and then you sort of swing the arms around. So you want to try and keep the balance in the left leg. So as you come back, up, kick, sit down, and step. And then you push out of that leg to open. So it takes a little bit of practice. So let's do a little bit of follow through and or follow along, and however you want to call it, and we'll go from there. So we'll take it from the strike tiger right. So right step, right arm goes down and around, and Toryu to the front. Toryu back, sit down, cross, come up, kick straight ahead, sit down and cross with the palms up, separate, and Toryu forward with strike ears with fists. Okay, let's do that again. Strike tiger right. Toryu back. Push from the front leg. Drop the hands. Scoop up. Come up. Open. Kick. Sit down. Step and cross. Separate. Both arms out in circles. And strike ears with fists. So again, both arms will circle out and around, just like the striped tiger, except they both go together. Okay, let's do it facing this way. Strike tiger right. Right arm circles around. Strike tiger right. Push back. Relax. Cross. Come up. kick, sit down and cross and step, separate, 2 circles, strike ears with fists. So let's do that one more time. Strike tiger right. Toryu back, load the leg, cross and come up, open, kick, sit down and cross at the waist, separate, strike ears with fists. Okay, well, have fun with it. So I think that's all we need to kind of go in with that one. A couple things coming up, of course. You may have heard about the workshops. So we're doing a workshop in Chase, BC on February 2nd. And we're going to be doing a Tai Chi workshop in Parksville, BC on the island on February 6th. So check out the website. We got the information coming up on there. And so if you can make it, love to see you. And then on February 9th, we're doing a trade show in Nanaimo. That's February 9th. It's a Women's Expo. I'm going to be showing and selling some of my harps. So if you're out that way, by all means, stop in and say hi. And if we get a break, we'll do some wobbly kicks together. All right. So like us on Facebook, check out the website, and send us your comments. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Love to hear from you. Take care, you guys. See you again.